Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to open an app called File Manager. Then scroll all the way down and choose Agree and Continue. Then choose Allow in the pop-up and click on Try or Cancel in this one. Now you need to click on Bluetooth and the download section. And as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!